showing you guys how to clean all of your mochis. So, and it could be so clean. And let me show you how. So, mochi fell. Oh, mochi fell. By the way, I'm the one that made the puppets. And by the way, my sister made that dimple, and she made. I actually really forgot, but I know she made the dimple. But I did the puppet. So hi, bubblies, and you will need a sink. Then wrong thing. With this, and they have to make all these bubbles get out. If you just have no bubbles, that's perfect. I'm gonna let it rinse off. It's not coming that much, so I'm gonna add some more water, and this should be enough to make it come off. Come on, more! Instead of kind of making it over here, like that. That should be enough, right? Yep. So satisfying. Okay, I think that should be enough. First you're gonna add some soap first. First I'm adding soap. Next you're going to add water. And then you're gonna make the soap come inside the water. I think that's enough because mochis are actually so tiny. So I'm gonna pop them in. So then I'm gonna add. So first I'm gonna add on this little kitty, some soap. It doesn't matter what soap you use. And then you're gonna do this. I'm gonna add soap on the kitty. Now this one's gonna dive in. Okay, this is the same kitty I did not use. My doggy. So I'm going to do it like that. And then I'm going to scrub it all over him. If you guys don't see, this water's so messy. If you don't see my sister, she's already making a video. I could hear her making a video. And I'm going to pop it in. Next, I got a panda. It's a cute panda. So I'm going to add soap on it. Next, I'm going to just scrub it all on it. Then, plop. So I already did those. Oh my god, it's a cute little elephant. That's a nice elephant. Now it's going to soap it on it. And then, plop. What else did I not do? I did panda. Ooh, I did not do whale. Wait, what is this? Let me see. Yeah. Oh, wrong thing. Oh, this, I think it's a whale. I don't know, but it's like sea animal. I know. So the sea animal has to be very clean to go inside. I don't know if there's any fish one. I don't know. Oh yes, there is. There is a fish, but not here. It's a cute rabbit. Well, rabbits don't really like water. No. Cats hate water. I have no clue why I put her in there. But let's go. And I'm gonna add some rabbits. And I already did these. I did this one. I did not do that one. I did that one. I did that one and that one. I did these. So I didn't do one, which is this one. Okay. So I'm going to add not that much soap on it because it's very tiny. Pop. Then I'm going to keep on mixing it. Mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. So then, ooh, so dirty water. I have too much. I'm going to count how much I have because I know how much I have. So this is a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and that's it. Yes. Now I'm just going to put this, I'm going to let it like that in. I'm going to wash all the soap off of these 3. I know these are my mochis. And then these 3 are my sister's mochis, because we don't share fidgets. And it's soaking very heartily, and the explosion. Look how big. So here you go. ASMR, guys. It's like a stress ball. Ah, this is so big. It's like, look, guys. Look, it's good. Woo! Oh my God, it's like a big giant slime. When you do slimes, you know. 3, 2, go. Oh, this is so big. I really like my mochis. Let me just clean them. Mine, extra rinse right there. And the extra rinse for my sister. They look so clean. Like, I never saw them this clean. So, bye, bubblies. I hope you have a good bubbly day. Like and pop that like button. Pop it! And subscribe and turn on the bell and notifications so you can always know. And then the bell is right by the subscribe button. So, yes. Bye. I hope you have a good bubbly fidget day.